It goes without saying that separating and divorcing is an extremely stressful situation. It's very hard to know where to start. It's very hard to know, indeed, what you don't know. The purpose of an initial conference is to get that clarity and to get the answers that you need so that you have a plan moving forward.
Whether you're thinking about separating, you've just separated, whether you were the person who chose to separate or didn't. And so the initial consultation is to give you the most amount of information that we can.
And that may mean we can start the process fairly quickly and start negotiating and working towards a resolution of your matter. In other instances, it may mean that we have to think about court proceedings straight away.
It's to have you walk away with all the information that you need, but most importantly, a plan of attack.
One of the advantages of initial conference with Coleman Greig is your first meeting will be with an accredited specialist in family law.
Being an accredited specialist means that you are engaging a lawyer who has specialist skills and expertise in the area of family law.
This is the only area of law that I do.
Family law is an incredibly complex beast. Not only has it become particularly specialised in terms of its practice and procedure, but because it intersects with so many other areas of law.
There are approximately only 5% of lawyers practising in New South Wales who are accredited specialists. So by having an accredited specialist acting for you on your matter, you are giving yourself the best opportunity to move forward with your matter, to gain the advice that is required and having confidence in the ability of your lawyer.
I know the legislation back to front. I know where all of the pitfalls are.
And as an accredited specialist, we can give you the best advice that we can, not just in family law, but in the other areas of law that intersect. And if we can't have the answers, then one of the benefits of working in a place like Coleman Greig is that we have access to a variety of other lawyers in the other areas that we practice in, and we can give you those answers that you need.
But ultimately, the initial conference is aimed at arming you with the information that you need to go away and make a decision that is tailored to your situation.
I think it's always fear of the unknown is what trips people up and what makes people think, yeah, this is all too hard.
What I find when people come to see me is that they don't necessarily know what they need to know. They have a series of concerns. They want to make sure that their children are taken care of. They want to see if they can stay in the house. They want to find out if they can continue to run their business. The importance of the initial consultation is to give you those answers to their questions that are immediately at the forefront of your mind, to give you that relief or at least reality test where you're at and where you may need to be.
I hope that this discussion has given you an understanding of the value that's in an initial conference and how it is that Coleman Greig would approach it. If you're ever in the position of requiring assistance in relation to a separation, then please do not hesitate to contact us.